we're on Instagram, so be sure to look out for us. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Marty. I'm here trying to pick some roses to fill these two vases up. Smells so good. And to also get some petals to make rose water for my face. So I have some petals in here. I'm gonna get more, and I'm gonna continue to pick more roses for maybe 4 more for each vase to put in my living room. And then I will take you guys on the journey of making rose water for your face. So I believe I have enough roses for my rose water. Ooh, I lost them. And then I have enough roses for my vases. So I'm going to start the process of making the rose water, and it's going to be very simple, not much to it. I'm just going to boil the rose petals and strain the water and use that for my face. So let's start the process. I think this is all ready. You can see the water is a little reddish. I still have some toner in my regular toner bottle, so I'm going to be pouring all of the rose water into this cleaned iced tea bottle that I have here. And I'm going to store this and pour some in here, and this is what I'm going to be using for the next couple of days. So let's pour it out. And this is what I got. So this is how much I got with this much to use for right now. I'm gonna store this. Of course, I'm gonna write on it rose water, because it looks like iced tea. That's what I have. Rose water with no chemicals or anything like that. But if you look in your beauty products, you will see a lot of them have rose water in there, or some sort of rose scent or something like that. And this one, I mean, all natural. So there you have it. The process of making the rose water is not very long. I am left with this bit of rose water. This is what I have as of now. So I've been using this in the spray bottle for about 2 weeks now, and it really hydrates my face. I am not big on drinking water, so I don't drink a lot of water, and sometimes I will feel my face will be very dry, or when I'm outside I just feel like parts of my skin will be really dry. And so what I started to do is just spray my face with or without makeup. Just spray my face with this spray bottle of rose water, and it helps my skin stay hydrated. Sometimes what I would do, I would spray the rose water on this cotton and just wipe my face with it. Just massage it into my face, especially at nighttime. But when I have makeup on, or I'm just around the house, every time I come into my room and I see it, I'll just take this spray bottle and spray my face a little bit just to keep it hydrated. So this is the rest of the rose water that I have left. It's a full jar I have, and it says Meekness Beauty Company on there. I did give some rose water away to family and friends to try it, to see how it worked for their faces. And so for me, it's been great. It's been very beneficial. I was in the store getting primer for my face, and I saw that Maybelline has rose water right now, and Garnier Fructis has rose water out right now, and some other companies have rose water out right now. So rose water is beneficial for your skin, with keeping your skin hydrated and looking fresh and youthful. So if you are interested in some fresh rose water with no added preservatives or with no other chemicals in it, just straight rose water to use as maybe as a just a spritz on your face or to use as a toner, you can hit me up and I will make you some rose water and store it in much smaller jars than this, maybe something about this size. I'll send you rose water, so just hit me up if you're interested. You can find us on Instagram at Meekness Beauty Hair. My rose I just grow in the back of my yard. We don't add any kind of a harsh fertilizer or anything to it, so it's freshly grown. Oh, and when I did drink the rose water, I put a couple of spoons of it into my glass of water. It didn't do anything for me because I only did it once. I didn't keep it up. I don't know what it would have done if I kept drinking it, but I just wanted to taste it to see. It didn't have any like sweet taste or anything like that because it was in my water. It was just like a regular whatever. It just kind of added hints of color to my water. I'm not gonna be drinking any more rose water just because I haven't done my research as to what the benefits are when it comes to drinking it, but it's been fabulous on my skin, so I'm going to continue using rose water on my face. Thanks for watching.